Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we are going to do a planting tutorial for the Charlotte Envee kit. So this is what plants are going to go in it. We'll go through them step by step. So we have our plant pie. This is a shallow dish, and we plant all of our Envee kits in these pies, and it makes it really easy to scoop it up because it'll be fully rooted in, and transplant it at home into containers that you already have. Saves you from buying a new planter every year. We always start with adding fertilizer in. So we already have like our soil in here. I add fertilizer to the top and then I give it a water. Just a nice shower there. We always water before we plant so that we can plant our little plugs level. It's really important that we don't get excess soil up on the stem of the plant because a lot of plants are susceptible to stem rot. So the first thing that's going to go into the Charlotte is this adorable Eucalyptus. So cute. Gonna put it right in the middle, making sure that it's level and not buried below. So the second plant we're going to add, this is a double Petunia, and it's SweetSunshine light pink. That's the color of it. It's really pretty. We have been using that for years. So I'm going to put one at the top and one at the bottom. The next plant that has two items is this adorable Calibrachoa. They don't look like much yet, but these are the blooms. And this is called Minifamous Uno Double Pinktastic. Sometimes these names are a bit long. So I'm just going to put them in. Calibrachoa definitely need to be planted level or slightly above level. If you bury them too deep, they definitely can get stem rot and not do well for you. We want them to do well. So the next plant we're going to add in, these came in kind of scraggly, but I know they're going to grow out nice. This is an it's an Osteospermum, and it's called Blue-Eyed Beauty. We've grown this one for a couple of years as well, and it's really pretty. Now the exact order that these go in isn't critical. It will still look really good because it will all kind of blend together. So the next item we'll put across from the Osteo is a Lophus. So it's hard to tell from the picture, but this is actually a trailing vine that blooms in a kind of a dark magenta color. Then the next one is called a Diascia. It's called My Darling Berry. This is the first year that we've grown this brand of Diascia, and you can see, look, it has a cute little flower on it. It's gonna be gorgeous. I think it's a little bit lighter colored than what we typically use in the Charlotte, but it was the closest match that we could find. We know we always are going to have substitutions. We just never know what it's going to be. So the next plant, I have one in the wall that's older. So this is a Euphorbia, and this one's older. It's blooming. And this Euphorbia is, we get things in different batches for different planters. So this one's going to go here. And then there's the Charlotte. We're going to clip this on. And once we have it done and planted, I mean, we're planting several of these, so I do one in the video to show you, but I already planted 50 of them. Now I have to do another 50. So we're doing 100 of this mix this year, but they will get a nice water so that the soil kind of sinks down. I can do that now. And then the soil fills in all the little holes I made with my finger when I planted. So there you have it. There's the Charlotte Envee kit. These will be available in store as soon as our grand opening, which is April 29th. However, it's a little early to take bedding plants home then. So we do ask you to maybe hold off on buying, but definitely come and look. Bye for now.